Incoming power is going to be connected to R, S, and T. After connecting the incoming power, we need to make sure that the spacing is correct. We can do that by making sure the coolant pump is rotating in the right direction. To turn on main power, we release the reset button. The main light comes on. This is going to be the coolant pump, off, on. We also have an amp gauge for the spindle. This is our downfeed adjustment knob, main power light, 2-speed motor switch, low and high. We also have a low and high gear for the gear head, plus 6 ranges depending on what gear we're on, low or high. To unlock the radial arm drill, we must press and hold unlock until the top arrow matches the bottom label. Now we can move it. To lock it, we press and hold until the arrow matches the red label. To raise the arm, we press and hold up, release until it locks. To go down, we press and hold. We release and wait till it locks. To turn on the spindle forward, spindle reverse. The front panel of the machine comes with a chart that shows us the different RPMs we could set the spindle. In order to set the spindle to 88 RPM, we need to be on the high side of the motor, we need to be in low gear, and on number 1. That is going to give us 88 RPM. To change to 750, we're going to have to go to the low side, high, and number 6. Stop for the downfeed. We first must bring the quill down to the desired stop. Then we rotate the outer ring to match 0. At that point, we lock the engaging lever, raise the quill up, turn it on, engage the automatic downfeed.